Luciano Darderi is an Italian professional tennis player born in Argentina. Darderi carried his strong momentum into 2026. In February, he reached the final to the Argentina Open and quickly bounced back the following week to capture his fifth career ATP title at the Chile Open. Darderi reached the quarterfinals of an ATP Masters 1000 for the first time at his home tournament in Rome. Following deep runs on the European clay circuit, including a semifinal appearance at the Rome Masters, that they achieved a career-high ATP single ranking of world number 16 at May 18, 2026. He has a career-high ATP single ranking of world number 6 achieved in 18 May 2026 and a career-high doubles ranking of number 104 reached 8 August 2022. He has won 5 ATP Tour single titles, all of them on clay. He represents Italy at the 2024 Summer Olympics. Darderi made his ATP debut at the 2023 Cordoba Open as a qualifier, where he recorded his first ATP win against Hugo Gaston. He entered the main draw of the 2023 Mexican Open as a lucky loser following the withdrawal the top seed Carlos Alcaraz. In August, he won his first challenger title in Todi. He won his second challenger title in Lima. He is known for his resilience, family values, and rapid rise as a part of Italy's strong tennis generation. Alongside players like Jannik Sinner, he continues to train with his father and compete at the highest level. His major breakthrough came at the 2024 Cordoba Open in Argentina. Entering the main draw as a qualifier, he staged a standing run to win his maiden ATP Tour single title by defeating Facundo Bagnis. In the final, this milestone propelled him directly into the top 100 of the ATP rankings. Later that year, he represented Italy at the 2024 Summer Olympics in Paris. Luciano Darderi was born in Villa Gesell, Argentina, into a family of Italian descent. He is the son of former tennis player Gino, who worked in Italy as a tennis coach and instructor and later became Luciano coach as well. His paternal grandfather was originally from Fano in the Marche region of Italy, located about 300 kilometers from Rome, and emigrated to Argentina after World War II at the age of 22.